At Proscaf, we're not just about scaffolding. We're about transforming the way you approach public access. Introducing our advanced public access solutions, designed to enhance your construction projects and ensure smooth pedestrian flow. With Proscaf, you can create public access compliant ramps, stairs, walkways and more effortlessly. Our innovative scaffolding system adapts to your specific needs, providing a versatile solution for a wide range of projects. Safety is our top priority. With Proscaf, you can ensure the safety of both your workers and the public. Proscaf offers a practical and innovative approach to public access solutions, aiding construction companies in seamlessly navigating obstacles, especially when the need arises to divert public egress paths at locations such as schools, hospitals, shopping centres, or even within and across their project footprint. Contact Proscaf today to learn how our public access solutions can take your projects to the next level.